September, many Finns are rushing to the forests. Why? Because all the berries and mushrooms are growing. And I told you earlier that you are allowed to pick them. And what do we usually have with us? What kind of equipments we need when we go to the forests? First of all, I want to wear rubber boots because of the wetlands, and maybe, just maybe, you can run into the snakes. There's only one poison snake in Finland, but that's enough for me at least. What else? Well, at the same time, when the mushrooms and the berries are ready, the mosquitoes are ready too. So I like to wear a hat to protect me from those mosquitoes. And also we have this kind of a nets to cover your whole face and head. How clever is that? And then you need a basket for the berries, a basket for the mushrooms, and maybe a little knife for the mushrooms. I do like to pick up berries with the hands, but you can also use this kind of a harvester to pick up the berries. Okay, what else? Well, sometimes if I have time, if I feel like I want to watch birds, I usually carry these with me. And we don't know such thing like a bad weather. It's only a matter of how do you dress, okay? And that's why I always take also my raincoat with. Then, when you have proper clothes, you can stay in the nature longer. Okay, I think that's our equipment. And next, we're gonna see how we're gonna pick up some berries. Now I show you some common berries what we have here in Finland. And again, you are allowed to pick them. Okay, this is called mustikka or blueberry. It's really nice. It's really sweet and of course really healthy. But also we have here crowberry, which is small, black. It's eatable, but it's a bit plain. It's not that good. Here we have juolukka. This looks really much like blueberry, and it's eatable also. But again, it's not that delicious. The most valuable berry in Finland is cloudberry. They are grown in special peatland areas. It's hard to pick, and there is good cloudberry years, only like 2 in 10 years. That's why it's really valuable. I'm gonna show how it looks like, and maybe one day you will get to taste it. Here you can see, look at this. Ah, what a beauty! This is the real good cloudberry. And cloudberries grows, as I told you, in peatland, which is really soft and wet. You can use it like a trampoline, okay? And you can also lie down here, maybe have a nice cup of coffee, or just enjoy the scenery.